Hi everyone, I'm Tommy, and today I'm going to show you how to wire up the TadiBrothers engine noise suppressor. This relates to SKU number 26033, and this is how we wire it up. This is the engine noise suppressor. This is supposed to clean up an image if you're getting some noise on it, if it looks a little fuzzy. It actually comes with a diagram right here, which shows you what everything does, but I'm still going to show you how to do it. If you want, by the way, you could just pause the screen now and look at it, right? But here we go. We're going to take the noise suppressor, I'm going to connect it to this barrel connector, and then that's going to connect to the camera. And I'm using a light up camera so you guys could see that it's actually getting the power. So the first thing I'm going to do before I connect anything to power is I'm going to wire it up to the camera itself. So we're going to take the red lead and connect it to the yellow lead, because that's where the engine noise suppressor takes out the power. Sends out the power. This needs to be grounded in the vehicle. I'm going to use something else as the ground, but this is basically the setup here. And we're going to take this to this, like that. So we have the engine noiser power output going to the power input of the camera, right? Now we're going to connect the red and the black to the 12 volts, right, to clean up the image. So you're going to connect the black to the black, like I have here, and the red to the red, right? So now the camera's getting power, but it still needs to be grounded. So I'm going to use some kind of other ground for this demonstration, right? I'm going to just touch it like this, and now you see over there the camera's getting power, right? So we're going to hold it like that, and as you can see, right there you go. That's all there is to it. Now, if you got one of our other engine noise suppressor, we send them according to your needs type of system you got. It's the same concept, right? You have the red and the black right here, which would connect to the 12 volts of your vehicle, and this blue represents that same yellow wire, which connects to the power of your camera. And then don't forget, you have to still ground your camera. Thank you and have a great day.